In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a flight on Booking.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect with refunds or credits, whether you're on the website or using the app. Start by signing in to your Booking.com account. You can do this on the main site in your browser or in the mobile app. Make sure you're using the same account you used to book the flight, because only then will your reservations appear automatically. Once you're in, head to the section labeled Bookings and Trips. Depending on your device, it may also be called My Trips or My Bookings. This is your hub for everything you've reserved. Look for the specific flight you want to cancel and open it to view the full booking details. On the Flight Details page, take a moment to review the fare rules and any cancellation terms shown there. These rules come from the airline or the flight partner, and they determine whether you can cancel, if there are fees, and whether you'll receive a refund or a travel credit. Some fares, especially discounted or basic options, may be non-refundable, and close-to-departure cancellations are often restricted. If your ticket allows it, you'll see a button such as Cancel Booking, Cancel Flight, or a similar option. Click or tap that to initiate the cancellation. You'll typically see a confirmation screen that summarizes what will happen next. This may include the amount refundable, any penalties, and whether the return will be to your original payment method or issued as a credit or voucher. When you're ready, confirm the cancellation. After you confirm, Booking.com, the airline, or their partner will process it. You should receive a confirmation notification and an email showing that the booking is canceled. Refunds and credits depend entirely on the airline's policy and the fare conditions, and processing times can vary. If a refund is due, it's usually returned to the original payment method, though banks and card issuers may take several business days to post it. If you don't see a cancel option on your booking, that typically means the fare doesn't allow cancellations through Booking.com, or it's outside the airline's allowed window. In that case, review the fare conditions shown on the booking page for your options. That's it. Sign in, go to My Trips, open your flight, choose Cancel Booking, and confirm. Keep an eye out for the cancellation email and any refund updates, and always review the fare rules before confirming.